I'm going to walk you through the features, the storage, and the materials of either pack. Just like the hydration pack, these packs feature the anti-theft locking zipper clips. Another feature of these packs is the locking mechanism on the straps that doesn't allow someone to just pull it off you and run away with it in the crowd. There are 3 ways that you can wear the snack, and that's crossbody, over the shoulder, or fanny. If you turn the packs to the back, you'll see the phone pocket located here that's going to be sitting flush against you so that nobody can gain access to it. For the times that you want to charge your phone, there's actually 2 pass-throughs that you can put a charging cord through to the backside phone pocket while the battery pack stays in the other pocket. On the inside of the snack, you'll also find a few more pockets, 1 main pocket, 1 hidden here on the back, and 3 more mesh pockets for those smaller items in the middle. You'll find a small key hook here to put your keys on. All you have to do is snap it on, pop it back in your bag, and you're ready to go. We can't wait for you to share your experiences with us, so make sure you're following us on socials at Lunchbox Packs, and welcome to the fam.